Hi guys, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you how to bag your peppermint leaves inside a homemade tea bag. Let's get to work. What we're going to do is we're going to make a homemade tea bag with a regular coffee filter. So the first thing we do is fold our coffee filter in half. And you can make a little crease straight along the middle there. And then we're going to cut both sides out about an inch down the center from the center of the coffee filter, straight across as much as possible. And then what we're going to have to do now is fold both sides down to one side like this and make a crease, a nice little crease, and then fold down one more time, and then finally one more time. So 3 folds down. Now we got a little crease. So inside the little hole here on the side, we want to make this crease in the center. So what we're going to do is grab onto this little crease and do the same thing on the other side. So now we got the crease right into the center. So now in the middle of our coffee filter, we fold it in half. And then you can put your organic leaves inside your filter, however much you desire. You can try it out with 4, then move to 5 and 6. Make your filters different sizes, different tastes. Everybody has different tastes. So what we want to do now is fold right across the top. Now the reason we're doing this is because we're going to use a string to tie it shut and a needle. So now it looks like this, and then we're going to fold one more time. Now it looks like a little house. And then we fold it down. There. And that's it. That's your homemade coffee, not a coffee filter, homemade tea bag. And to finish this off, you can use a needle and thread if you want to put a tag. Just put a hole through here with your needle, tie it off, and then run your rest of your string down here, your thread, and get a regular piece of paper with some double-sided tape, and just a small piece, and fold it onto your double-sided tape, put your string inside, and there you got to have yourself a tab to take your tea out of your water. And that's it. There you go. Don't forget to love yourself. Love everything around you, the people, the trees, the water. We wouldn't be able to drink this really nice tasting mint leaf tea if we didn't have water. Okay, take care.